Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make your stock speakers louder. First, start by checking your head unit's volume and balance settings. Make sure the volume is at a comfortable level and the balance is centered. Next, adjust the bass and treble levels. Sometimes, a slight increase in these can make a big difference. Finally, ensure all speaker connections are secure and free from damage. These simple steps can often improve your sound quality significantly without any upgrades. If basic adjustments aren't enough, consider adding an aftermarket amplifier. An amplifier provides more power to your speakers, making them significantly louder and clearer. When selecting an amplifier, ensure its RMS wattage output matches your speaker's RMS rating for optimal performance. Also, upgrading your speaker wiring to a thicker gauge, such as 14 gauge, can improve power delivery and reduce signal loss, further enhancing your audio experience. For a more substantial upgrade, replace your stock speakers with higher sensitivity models. These speakers require less power to produce more sound, making them louder with your existing setup or a new amplifier. Additionally, installing sound deadening material in your car doors can dramatically improve sound quality by reducing vibrations and road noise. Finally, adding a subwoofer will provide deep, impactful bass, complementing your existing speakers for a full-range sound. For advanced users, a digital sound processor, or DSP, allows for precise tuning of your audio system, optimizing sound staging and equalization for maximum clarity and volume. Remember to regularly clean your speaker grills to prevent dust and debris from obstructing sound output. Also, for a truly clean ride, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Maintaining your system ensures consistent, high-quality sound for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.